What's going on, guys? In today's video, this is the only time I actually recommend repairing your trimmer head, because this is a $40 Echo speed reloader trimming head, and the main problem we're having with this one is the customer took it all apart and then couldn't figure out how to put it back together, went to a different repair shop, and the repair shop lied to him, said they fixed it, didn't charge him nothing, said have a good day, and he brought it back to me because it was broken again. And turns out the repair shop forgot to put parts in there, and it's the customer's fault. You know, he didn't pick up his parts or something, but the other repair shop should have said, hey, this is missing parts, we can't fix it all the way yet. Instead they lied to him, and now he's here. And I found online a nice Echo Rapid Reloader repair kit, and the only thing I really need in here is these springs. He's missing these springs right here. But I'll go ahead and just replace the dogs anyways, these little grabbers, just because I'm not going to need them in the future. I'll have one extra because this comes in a set of 3. And like I said, links in the description. But I'm going to show you how to do that and what's wrong with this right now. So right off the bat, it's just 4 Phillips screws to get this open. And there's other problems with this weed eater, and the other repair shop just messed it all up. But I finally convinced them just to let me fix it. Let me do it right. Let me give you a good experience of a repair shop. Now you can see here, this is how we had it. And what the shop did was, instead of feeding it the right way where it locks in with the spring, they fed it backwards and locked it in. So it looked like it worked. And it did for a time until you needed to replace the line and there was nothing you could do. And I explained to the customer, I said, they don't put these notches in there for looks. Something's missing. And it turns out it was the spring. So we'll go ahead and open this kit. We'll take these old ones off. I'll keep them. They look pretty good, so. And this comes with 4 new bolts if you need them. Which in this case we honestly don't need them. And it comes with these new grabbers. So we have the new grabbers right here. It comes with new grabbers, and it comes with the springs. It should come with 3 springs, 3 grabbers, 3 pins. So now all we got to do is take one of our grabbers, put a pin in it, put it in. The grabber should be facing the same direction as the track. So this is going to put in the string, and the grabber will spring back and lock it into place, not allowing you to pull it out. And then once you push in the string again, it pushes that grabber up. So that's how that goes. Do those pins feel a lot longer? They do. I will use the regular pins. I really only needed the springs. Okay, putting it on is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to put the pin in. Then you're going to put the spring in. Now you're going to see how the catcher goes. And then from there, you're going to put the spring in on the first, and then you're going to line it, the back part of the straight part of the spring inside this hole, this catch right here. And from there, you can put on your catcher, just like so. Pull it back until it stays in place like that. And then once we put that on, every time, I need to lift that up. Every time something comes in here, this is going to spring back and catch it. So you just want it to sit in place enough where we can put that the top part on. So let's go ahead and put the other side on. We'll put the spring on there first, and the little catch, then the grabber, I got the spring not in the catch right. Yeah, this is a $40 weed eater head, so this is worth replacing. Let's go ahead and put the bolts in, tighten this bad boy down, and see if we fixed it. I'm pretty sure we did. Pretty sure it's good to go. test it is you just feed it. Now that I cut a piece of string, you can normally buy these pre-made ready to go. But now that I cut a piece of string, let's test it. All you do is the arrow, that's where you're gonna push it in, even though it's pointing out. Don't feed it in this way. That's how the customer broke it originally. So now you just feed it in. It should just go through like that. And now I can't pull it out. So I should be able just to pull it out this way, and that one works. So let's feed it in this one. Can't pull it out. Should just be able to pull it this way. And we'll do one more test. There we go. I think the customer will be happy about that now that it works again. And all it was is because he lost those springs, and the other place finagled it to where it went in the wrong way and locked into place still. And so he didn't really have trust in small engine mechanics, so I hope this gives him a better experience, and I hope he's happy with it. And I hope you guys are happy too. Links in the description if you guys need this kit here. But this is a $40 head, so it's cheaper for 15 bucks just to buy this. And as always, if you guys like repairs, hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week. You guys have a great day.